So working from home is a little difficult sometimes, and you just want to get away and go to the beach, enjoy the day, but you have to work. So the best way to do is take your work outside. We have a solar panel here. You have two systems charging. You got your computer, you got your phone charging, and you're working from the beach, enjoying the day without worrying about losing any charge. Today, we're gonna bring a power station, and this is a beautiful, powerful power station, 600 watts maximum. Now, this one, I actually took it out and was working at the beach. I was powering up all my equipment, my supplies, pretty much my phones, my computer, lighting. This will continue on for all day. Now, the best thing about this thing is that you could continue loading some more charge into the system, about 30 watts. We're going to take a look at it how. Now, we're going to look at some of the features, but first of all, I just want you to see how rugged and tough it is. And it is a little heavy. I'm not going to lie to you. It's heavy, but it's made for outdoors. So you could take this pretty much anywhere. Keep it in your car. If you work in construction and you have machinery, you run out of battery, juice, or the power goes out, a great solution for it. So we're going to take a look at some of the features and see what you get when you get something like this. All right, first of all, when I say bringing in more power to the system, it's a hidden gem into a big, powerful box. When I first got it, I was super impressed with it. I had to do it, just put it outdoors, collect the power, and don't have to even worry about powering up. I left it in the rain. I took it to the beach. It handled it as very smoothly as it would be. So we're going to open it up, what I'm talking about. So first of all, there is a little latch in here, and you push it forward. Look at that. To a solar panel display in here. And this is what I'm talking about. And this actually angles up and it kind of curves into a certain angle so you guys can get the best rays of the sun. Just as long as you're pointing to the right direction, you're going to get juice into the system. Very powerful, very strong. I am very pleased that it was included with it instead of buying an additional system like other systems that you end up buying a whole array of solar panels. This is perfect. This actually reveals the solar panels as soon as you open it up. Now, when I'm talking about in the back, I'm going to show you guys in the back. I'm going to flip it over. And here's a kickstand. If you guys can see, the kickstand, it tilts to whatever angle you want. If you guys can see, I'm going to put it to sideways. It hides in the corner. If you guys can see that. It's a hidden compartment in here. So you don't have to worry about anything, adding any additional kick. And this will retain its weight too. So, all right. So first of all, you got your LCD screen, and this is going to display pretty much all your power consumptions and power transfers, all right? So anything coming in, if you start charging it, you're going to see it through your LCD screen. Also displays a lot of the functions where how much voltage is being transferred to your phone or to your computer on the watts surfaces, all right? So anything that's being transferred, it's going to display in here and how much you have left over. So you could calculate exactly how many hours and minutes is going to last you for the number of consumption of products you have connected to it, right? Now, you do have a couple buttons. You got the LCD screen button in here on the top, all right? That's going to display the LCD screen. If we click on it, it's going to come up. Now, there is a couple of things that you should know. There's a C, Type C. On the Type C, it's going to be about maximum power of 65 watts. So if you're going to power, fast charge something, this is a perfect way to do it. You also have the USB Type A, and then Type A is going to be 18 watts maximum. And then you got the regular Type A, which is about maximum of 5 watts. So you're going to be able to transfer anything that you want and connect it as fast as you want. So now, just to let you know, a lot of these products, if you buy a off-the-shelf wire, it won't charge as fast as you can because they're not made for the actual fast connection. So make sure you be aware about that. Now, underneath of it, we got another section here, and this is where all the inputs go into. That means that you could plug in your outlets and your inputs also. And this is also DC inputs that are located right there. If you guys can see that. Now, there's two different types, all right? There's an input and there's an output, all right? So you could plug in additional power connections to actually have this charge even faster in case you're using it and you have a power source. This is a perfect way to do it. Now, underneath a bit, you got the buttons, your DC inputs, and then your DC outputs, all right? On and off buttons are simple just to turn on. At night, what you do when they turn on, they light up here on the light. There's a little tiny faded light that you can see what's on, all right, and what's off, right, and it'll distinguish which side is it on. Now underneath of it, on your AC out, it's going to be about 110 volts and 600 watts, all right? Now, next to it on your car charger station, here you go. This is a 12 volts to 10 amps, right, maximum. That's pretty much, this is a way to actually bring in power or take out power, right? So you could transfer or you could take indirect. So this thing is very good. It's protected for short circuits. It doesn't overheat. It has plenty of fans, ventilations underneath, and in the other side, overload protection, which is great because a lot of people tend to overcharge their system. And this actually controls the temperature and controls the output and the input of power that's coming in here, right? Low voltage, like I said, low voltage protection, high temperature protection, low temperature protection. This will keep you on if you guys are going to go camping, or if you're going to go have fun at the beach and you want to take pretty much your amenities, maybe your TV, your radios and so forth, and everybody needs to charge their station. Best way to do it is take something like this. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video.
And today we're going to test this power drill. We're going to screw some drywall, so we're going to try it. See how it works.
No, DC, no AC.
Okay.
And now, there we go. And we can see how much voltage.
Okay.
If you get, it's 150 watts out of
110 volts. Yeah.
Yep. So if you're going to projects, you could take this anywhere in projects as a backup for tools. And we are in a warehouse. We lose power here all the time. So it's very, very convenient to bring this with you. And at the same time, not only is it going to charge your devices, it's also going to pick up some charge itself from the sun. Best way to bring it to a campground, to the beach, and enjoy it and make a lot of progress from work. This makes it work from home, make it simple. And if your kids run out of devices to charge, they can always come here, plug in, plug and play, ready to go.